This is another vlog after a very long time. So we have come to one of the colleges where Luna is going right now, and it was about 30 minutes away from Medellin, really high up the mountains. You can see we are very close to the clouds. So I'll show you guys around, and Paula is over there already taking pictures. We took a few pictures, we saw all the dogs, but I'll try to show you guys as much as I can. So that's the entrance. There is a guard dog. It's a bit cold, my lips are not working. So that's a German Shepherd there. The city of Medellin is that way, and there are a few farms there, a few of them over there, and most of them are down there. So let's go. So the dogs are on that side, and they have a stable here. So first let's look at the stable. So there's all the dogs. There is Paola right there. So here are the horses. They all have ponytails. Hey, 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 venga. Good boy. Hey, ¿qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? ¿No puedo tocar? ¿No puedo tocar? Sí, yo puedo tocar, sí. Oh, sí. Oh, sí. They take care of the horses here. They have got more here. Hola. So they're grooming the horses there. I don't want to bug them too much. And now let's go see the dogs. So they separate the two dogs. One person stays here with the dogs who are a bit rough and don't like to play too much and are fighting, and then the playful dogs are on the other side. So this is the main section where they keep the dogs. They put the dogs here when they eat. Oh. The husky. ¿Qué pasa? ¿Qué pasa? So this dog is a bit sick, so it just stays there. And here are the other dogs. Luna, ¿dónde estás? Venga para acá. Hey, hey, pollita. Sí, sí, sí. Sí, ole. Hey, sí, ¿qué pasa? Ole, cosita. So we are heading back now.
Can tell.
Paula is dirty everywhere. She got cut on the feet because a dog tried to jump on her and then cut her leg, so we have to clean that up. But this place is amazing. We have to come again. So that's all. It's a short vlog, but that's it. Ciao. So this is a taste of Colombian countryside. And that's the house of the owner of the college for Luna, and the dog thing is also on the other side. It's pretty. So now we have a long walk ahead because there are no cars here, so about 30 minutes or an hour walk, and then taking a car or a bus, whatever we can find.